In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the heatsink. What do you need? A screwdriver, a spudger, a container to put the screws in, spatula, thermal paste, metal cleaner spray, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a new heatsink. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Disconnect the cables from the battery and the heatsink. Unscrew the screws that hold the heatsink in place. Carefully lift up the heatsink. It is now time to clean the heatsink. To do this, we first use a plastic spatula. Use a wet wipe. Now spray some metal cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the last bit. Repeat the previous steps for the CPU. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and spread it evenly over the CPU. Make sure the whole CPU is covered. Install the new heatsink as shown. Put back the screws. Reconnect the cables. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.